how to add or remove the switch control in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then we tap on the add button at the top corner here. Once you are in an edit mode, go down and tap on add a control. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In here, go to the motor accessibility and then tap on switch control, and that widget will be added to your control center. Now you can also drag on the corner handle to enlarge the widget. If you would like to remove the widget, just tap on the add button in the control center, then tap on the remove button to remove the widget. Okay, so let's go down and add it back in. So switch widget, switch control, then swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now if you pull down the control center, you can tap on the switch control shortcut to quickly open it. So it said here, switch control changes the gestures used to control your iPhone. Are you sure you want to continue? Just tap on OK. And here we can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you want to remove the switch control from the control center, just simply open up the control center, then tap on the add button. Once you are in an edit mode, just tap on the remove button, then swipe up, and then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.